Kiekaboo. Hi. Kiekaboo. 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 Hello you all, thank you for watching my new video of the Sims World. And today I would like to showcase you the beautiful zoo of AviFauna. I'm going to explore this park and we will find lots of different kinds of animals. Have you ever seen such kind of animals? Let me know. We are going to explore all the animals we can find over here in this park, so check it out. Hoi allemaal, leuk dat je weer kijkt naar een nieuwe video van Sims World. En vandaag zijn wij in de AviFauna. En de AviFauna, oh wacht, het moet natuurlijk in het Engels. Hello, thank you for watching this new video of the Sims World. And today we are in the AviFauna, which is a zoo. And I'm going to take you on this journey in the AviFauna. Absolutely beautiful over here. Lots of beautiful trees and bushes and flowers, but also all different kinds of animals. So let's have a look and we are going to explore all the animals we can find. Look at the beautiful surrounding around me. There's an ostrich. And the ostrich are walking outside in the sun. Ooh, look, he's waving at me. Hi, hi. If you are looking at the trees behind me, there are bird nests above the trees. They are the homes of the storks. The bird nest, and the stork is looking towards me. So we are going to explore this zoo, and come with me. I will show you the AviFauna. And over here we got the Dutch ducks. I also want to swim because the weather is so lovely today. The sun is shining and we are all enjoying the sun and the beautiful nature. What are you saying? Oh, how are you today? How are you? Wow, you are so beautiful. So this is the European common crane, and his beak is so small and it's very dangerous, I think, because he can poke you with his beak in the eye. I think that the birds are very happy over here. If you look at the habitat they are living in, I think this is quite nice. The habitat is very natural. They got water, they got trees, they got bushes. I think they are very happy. They also got lots of space to walk around and also to fly around here. So I think this is a great place for all the species and animals. Behind me we can find several kinds of animals, like the red panda. And I haven't seen him yet. I would like to spot the red panda behind me. But you can also find the mandarin duck. You will also find the red crown crane. And I just spotted the red crown crane. I would like to see the red pandas. Where are they? So here we have the red crown crane. And he's walking in the water, hunting for fish, I think. Behind me we can see the saddlebill birds. Here we see the red hornbills, and they are cleaning themselves in the cage. Look. And this is the Reeves pheasant. And look at the colors, absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful. Wow. And as you can see, there are eggs laying here, and I think he is protecting his eggs. Here we also found another beautiful place with the pelicans and the ducks and the cranes. This place is absolutely beautiful, as you can see, and the birds are chilling. And here we can find the eastern white pelicans, and they are relaxing in the sun near the water. Can you spot the frog in this picture? Here it is. What a huge fish. Wow. You think you know, but you have no idea what's in the water. We are now walking in the Madagascar area, so we can find here all different kinds of animals from Madagascar. And look, oh wow, you can nearly see them. Oh look. Wow, absolutely beautiful. And they are behind me. Oh look, how lovely is this? Nice and cozy all together. Wow, amazing. They are sleeping. Ooh. Hello. Aren't they the cutest things? Wow.
I was the pile of coats!
Hi, hi. I enjoy watching them, so I can sit here the whole day looking and staring at them. Life is beautiful. Nature is so beautiful. You have to cherish all small things which the world has to present to you. I cherish all the small things, just like this moment, sitting here and enjoying my view. Wow, look at this area. Here we can find the penguins. Yay! They are playing in the water and with each other as well, and I enjoy watching them. Hi, hi. Hello. Ah, yes. Wiggle your butt. He pooed in the water. Oh, yes, you can do it. Yes. This is also a lovely place, I think, for the animals. They are having fun. They are giving us a show, and it's so lovely to see. No fighting. I can watch this the whole day. These are the Humboldt Penguins. And the penguins are from Peru and Chile. And now they are living in the Netherlands. Look at the beautiful blue color. Look at the feathers. They are so bright and shiny. Oh yes, your green colors as well. Beautiful. the red one. Hi, hi. 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 And over here we got the sun parakeets. And look at the beautiful yellow colors. It's absolutely beautiful. Yes, and they are so tiny, and I love watching these birds. So we are now going to enjoy a beautiful bird show. So I found myself a beautiful spot, and I can enjoy the view from here. Yes, so let's start the show. The beautiful birds, which we saw earlier, are now outside of the cages, and they are flying around in the sky. There's so much going on. Woo! Ah, oh my! Oh wow! They're now flying over our heads. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Woo! I just noticed that this is like the stage of the Beyoncé Formation World Tour. Yes. So I would like to close with this screenshot over here. These are the Rupel's griffin. Oh, bless you. I love being in the nature. I love being around animals. And this is absolutely a lovely place to visit. I would definitely recommend this animal zoo to you. I'm going to enjoy my view here near the water. And I'm going to relax for a little bit. I would like to thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like this video and I hope you will get inspired. Bye bye. See you next time.